Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or hi if you are new. My name is David, and on today's video we're going to be talking about Sansevieria's slash mother's-in-law tongue slash snake plant and a lot of other names. She's a plant of many names. Make sure you stick to the end because I have some like cute facts that I found online and I would love to like share them with you. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get into it. So like I said, the plant name is called snake plant slash mother's-in-law tongue slash Sansevieria, and I'm pretty sure there's some many other like a lot of other names, but those are like the top 3 names that this plant is known for. Now the light requirements, this is a great plant for like low light conditions. This plant's going to be one of your like favorite plants because they can literally tolerate no light conditions. Well, I had it in my apartments back then, and I had it like on the stairs, and it would get like no light. I mean, like a very little of indirect light, but it was getting like a lot of artificial light, and yeah, it survived. Like it was not dying at all. It also wasn't growing at all, and I never even watered it because yeah, if it's in low light conditions, don't water your Sansevieria. Like you're gonna overwater it. This is a plant that can, well, I'll say like in the watering conditions. But yeah, this is a really great low light plant, but it will grow really fast in bright indirect light. Now watering. Sansevierias like to be dry, so whenever you water it, make sure it is completely bone dry. I like to use my moisture meter because I have killed 2 Sansevierias before because it looked dry to me, and I was like, I haven't watered it for a month, and I was watering it and I was like, oh my god, why are you wilting? So I gave it more water and I ended up killing it over root rot. I ended up buying a moisture meter from Amazon. It's really cheap. I use it on all of my other plants, so if you guys would like to try this product out, I have it linked down below. It's not sponsored, but it has saved a lot of my plants. But yeah, the most common mistake on killing this plant is overwatering, because it's one of those plants that just do not need a lot of water and they like to stay really dry. But when you do water it, make sure you soak it really good. Also make sure it has well drained soil and it has a good amount of drainage holes in the bottom. Now my favorite thing is fertilizer. So usually I like to fertilize my Sansevierias twice a month with half diluted fertilizer. I use Miracle-Gro, like that blue crystals thing like that you've seen in Home Depot. Other products that I'm mentioning, I'll try to put them all in the description box. You can go and check them out. They're all from Amazon because I'm an Amazon boy. Now you only want to be fertilizing your Sansevieria in spring through summer, like in the growing season. Now the fun part, propagation. So this is a really easy plant to propagate. There's a lot of different ways. I have some, let me show you, hold on. Okay, and also it's like the most cutest like centerpiece. Like they just look super cute like in glass containers. You can propagate it with water, soil. I also heard people use sphagnum moss. You can literally propagate this plant with whatever you have. Now the way I like to propagate my Sansevierias is by cutting. So usually you just want to get a good healthy leaf. You want to cut it and then, oh my god, and then over time you're gonna see some roots, and then later on you're gonna see a plant that is so adorable. So this one's ready to get potted up, but I just think it's so cute where it's at right now, and I just love them both together. So I'm probably gonna propagate another one and place it in here. But yeah, oh my god, hold on. So yeah, this is a really easy plant to propagate. It is very time consuming, but if you give it bright and direct light, it will propagate a lot faster. And now propagating in water, it is kind of time consuming. It's a lot faster when you do it in soil, when you do it correctly. But I just love the looks of Sansevieria cuttings in water. I just think it's so like aesthetics. I don't know, I just love it. And I'm also very nosy and I like to see the roots. So within 2 months or a month, if I'm lucky, I should start seeing some roots. And hopefully within 2 or 3 months, I can see some new babies in the bottom, which is gonna be so fun. And yeah, so yeah, you can propagate your Sansevieria with cuttings, through water, or any other way that you like to propagate it with soil, sphagnum moss, or sand. Or the most fastest way you can also do it is by division. So usually when you have your Sansevieria plant, it will shoot out like little pups or little babies, and you can separate them, and then boom, you have a whole different plant. Now the humidity is kind of the best part on this plant because a lot of our households, like inside, the humidity is not that great, and the Sansevierias, they do not need a lot of humidity, which makes them an amazing house plant. So there's literally no humidity requirements on this plant, like literally like none. So it's perfect for indoors. Now the level of difficulty on this plant, I think it's like literally easy because it's very hard to kill this plant. It can tolerate a lot of conditions. It's very like adaptable. It's a very forgiving plant. So if you forget to water within a month, it's gonna do a-okay. So yeah, this is a really great beginner plant or a gift plant that you want to give to one of your friends, because you don't need to be an expert to keep a Sansevieria plant. Like, anybody can have a Sansevieria plant and it will thrive inside, unless you overwater it. That's where you're messed up. But other than that, it's a really great easy plant. Now the temperature on this plant is 65 to 80 degrees. It could go a little bit like lower than 65, but you're gonna start seeing some damage, especially if the soil is like wet. You don't want to water your Sansevieria when it's lower than 65 degrees, because it can kill your plant. This plant likes to stay between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, is this plant pet friendly? No. Now, eating small doses of this plant is not really gonna kill you, but you will start vomiting and like getting nauseous and having diarrhea, especially your animals. So you do not want to have this plant around your dogs or cats or your pets, because it is not safe for them, especially in large doses. Like, that's not gonna be cute. Now on the facts, this plant comes from Africa, Madagascar, and Southern Asia. Another one is this plant is amazing at purifying your air. And one more thing, this plant is one of those plants that can purify the air when you're sleeping. So it literally produces oxygen at night. It doesn't need any sunlight like the other plants. The snake plants can produce oxygen at night without a sun. That is crazy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't, because I upload daily content and it's all about houseplant related, like plant shopping, houseplant tours, and a lot of other good jazz. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.